Fastest bird mouth layout, super accurate, using an adjustable speed square. You know the length of the rafter, you know the pitch of the rafter. The pitch is 12, you set 12 on the common scale. At 12, you come over, you draw the plumb line for a 12 pitch. Then, once you got the plumb line there, if you're using a 2x4 wall, you line that up on the plumb line and you draw the cut. If you're using a 2x6 wall, you still line it up on the plumb line and draw. What happens is, this is a seat cut for a 2x4. This is a seat cut for a 2x6. Very accurate, very quick. Thank you.